Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vellabox to share with you. Vellabox is a candle subscription box. They do send these to me so that I can review them for you. You can either get one 4-ounce candle for $10 a month, one 8-ounce candle for $20 a month, or you can get a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce for $30 a month, and if you do that way, you get free shipping. They also always send a little extra gift in here. What is this? Daily Facial Mini Scrubber. Pair with your favorite face wash and cleanse your skin in circular motions. Hold a better grip by placing your fingers in the pocket. Pro tip, use on the go for travel, the gym, or a quick daily beauty regimen. Soy-based foam material and natural cotton-based layer with nylon exfoliating loops. Clinically allergy and dermatologist tested, never tested on animals. This is cute. This is fun. It does feel like it would be really soft. Nice way to get a little exfoliation on your skin. I like this. How fun. Okay, and then the candles, let's see, we have a theme here. Soul Full of Sunshine. The little card inside the box, I always love these. Okay, so for my 8-ounce, these bags, by the way, are so great. I always save mine and reuse them for, like, you know, presents or just to store things. Sea Salt Surf. And it says Wood Cream Jasmine. Oh, let's see. Oh, that smells really good. Definitely more floral, less woodsy. I can definitely smell that cream. Oh, there's a lot of good scents in here. It's not super strong. This is the kind of thing that, you know, is not overly scented where it's going to give you a headache, that kind of a thing, but it does have a really pleasant, light scent to it. Okay, and then my 4-ounce Coconut Sandalwood. This one says Lime, Papaya Blossom, and Cedar. And these are both from Broken Top Candle Company. So Vellabox uses different candle companies, and each box will have candles from a different company, all of like small batch kind of places. Oh, that smells amazing. It definitely has that coconut lime kind of thing, but there's something, it's gotta be the cedar. Giving a little bit of musk. But that one also has a nice freshness to it. With cedar, you expect it to be, you know, more woodsy, more wintry, but this has a really light, you know, that sandalwood, and oh my gosh, these are really lovely. Let's see what it says. Sea Salt Surf, Jasmine, Sweet Cream, Driftwood, Sea Salt. Close your eyes and imagine yourself seaside. The incoming waves break against the rocks and you can feel a salty mist on your face. Toes in the sand with a good book in hand. That is the essence of this candle. And then the Coconut Sandalwood, Lime, Papaya Blossom, Cedar, Coconut. This candle has it all, warm, woodsy, citrus, and floral. It's a marvelous concoction that we recommend enjoying while watching the sunset on that perfect weather kind of a summer night. And then the Broken Top Candle Co., located in Bend, Oregon. And then they have the brokentopcandleco.com. They have their social stuff. I'll list all of that in the description box if you guys want to check them out. The Scoop. 5 years ago, CEO Afton Kofelt was pouring wax in her kitchen. Now she's a boss babe, mother of 3, and still absolutely crushing it. Their scents are intentionally crafted to be more subtle, unique, and never overpowering, so you can enjoy them on a daily basis. Broken Top Candle Co. products are organic, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and cruelty-free. And then Daily Concepts, I believe is what this is. They are individuals who think they sing in the shower. Their goal is to help our planet and to create a clean environment without compromising the luxury and quality of the products we use daily. They work to inspire innovation and new technology to succeed in changing the world one shower at a time. And they are from Los Angeles. I love it. How wonderful. Yeah, right? The subtle scents, totally. I'm gonna like go burn these in my house right meow. So I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!